Now to our breaking news from the East End. Numerous people have been shot in Scarborough. Safia Kambalia is now live at the scene. Safia?
Roger, a cameraman tell me they have numerous shots of victims. They've lost count. There's so many. Have a look. ETF is here on scene. Police officers just keep moving the perimeter wider and wider. There are countless ambulances. We heard reports that EMS called in every single unit that they had. This is a massive scene. Every corner of the scene, there's people crying. This was a large house party. A lot of stray bullets, I hear. A lot of people unsure what happened. Many suspects. Nobody yet in custody. We do have reported fatalities. Jesse is here standing by with me. Jesse, you ran down as soon as you heard what happened. Can you tell me what you heard?
Pretty much I ran down, and as I was walking down here, I heard 7 people, then 8, then 10, and then I heard that a 6-year-old, no, sorry, not a 6-year-old, 10-year-old got shot.
Many different numbers and ages have been floating by. Did you hear the gunshots?
No. But I'm pretty sure my dog did, because she started freaking out, going, what the hell, and yeah.
Can you describe to me what you're hearing from other people? We heard that multiple shots, multiple people running from the scene.
Yeah, I don't know about the running from the scene. All I know is I've been seeing people crying, them freaking out, going, what the heck? Me freaking out myself, because I have friends that are obviously in this area because I just lived on the street type of thing.
Did you see this party? Do you know how large it was? We're hearing up, a very, very large barbecue, I heard one woman saying. I heard one woman on the phone saying, my daughter was at a barbecue. Her daughter, the lady I was talking to a minute ago, thank you so much, Jesse. Carlene, she didn't want to come on camera. She told me her daughter was the 20-year-old girl that was shot twice, once in the back, that we heard reports of. She said that her daughter called her crying, saying, Mom, I'm at a house party. Bullets just went flying. The mother rushed over. She couldn't talk to me. She was going to try to meet with her daughter. Her daughter was taken in an ambulance to hospital. Many people taken to hospital. EMS didn't have enough. Here there were so many people. We do have some fatalities confirmed. Again, I want to repeat to you some of the things that we can confirm right now. An 18-year-old male with gunshot wounds taken to Centenary Hospital. 25-year-old female taken to Scarborough General earlier with gunshot wounds. Hearing reports that a 59-year-old woman also shot at a nearby laundromat. This is massive. Authorities here are still trying to determine what happened as well. You can see all types of forces have been brought in. Nearby divisions, EMS, ETF, fire. You can see the scene behind me just continues to get wider and wider. I've also seen a lot of parents coming here, picking up their kids, saying, what's going on? Don't get involved. You're looking at another victim being transported on a stretcher right now to an ambulance, waiting. You can't even see how far the ambulances go down. This scene is so wide. We have cameras at every single end here. Cameraman John Hanley emailed earlier saying that he has countless shots of victims. He lost count. There were so many. This is a massive scene. Again, you can see officers, ETF force, the rifle there in front of you, watching the scene. A lot of people around me here, not a lot of witnesses. Miss, did you see what happened? Somebody looks visibly upset that's walking by me right now. A lot of people here came in the area. They came when they heard what had happened. They came to try to find out answers, just like we are doing as well. Sir, do you live in the area? No? Anybody here see or heard what happened? A lot of these people here trying to discover answers just like we are as well. We've got our live eye. DeGero's here on the scene as well, trying to get you live shots from every possible angle. First on the scene here, multiple cruisers. New details are emerging by the minute. You can see crews working frantically. A moment ago, we heard a woman screaming just beyond the ambulance that you see there. Clearly somebody she knew or loved had been hurt in the frenzy. A large shooting, a spray of bullets is what I'm hearing from people that knew people at this large party. You can see fire officials walking up, trying to clear the scene as well. Roger, we're going to keep digging up some details here at the scene. Come back and check in with me in a few minutes, okay?